Hi, hello there. This is Nick Agram. I will be discussing rational algebraic expression, evaluation of algebraic expression. What does it mean? If you remember when you discuss algebraic expression, not rational, but regular algebraic expressions, then you get a value of the values of the variables that is involved in the expression. For example, we have 2 times x times y. If x is equal to -2, the value of x is -2 and y is +5. Then we need to evaluate that. So we have 2 times -2 times 5. Then we have -20. We can complicate things, but I'm not going to discuss it here because I want to discuss what you have in your book, page 76. Evaluate. It says here, evaluate. I hope you have your book with you. Evaluate. So I'm going to, it's number 1 in your book, page 76. So we have 40 y raised to -1. That means we have negative exponents and 0 exponents is still. Then according to the law of negative exponent, we have 40 multiplied by y raised to -1, and we have 40 multiplied by 1 divided by y raised to +1 this time. And then y is, what is y? The value of y is equal to 5. Then we have 40 multiplied by 1/5. Then we have 8. I hope so. Yeah, it is 8. Number 2. We have, wait, sorry for that. What happened there? Number 2. We have 1 divided by m squared multiplied by m plus 4 in a parenthesis, and where m is equal to -8. So we have 1 divided by -8 squared multiplied by -8 plus 4. Then we have 1 divided by 64 multiplied by -4. Then we have 64 divided by 4, 24, 256, I don't know. Let's see, 64 divided by, I multiplied by 4, 256, and it is negative, so we have -1 divided by 256. Number 3. We have p squared minus 3 raised to -2, where p is equal to 1. And we have negative there, so we have 1 divided by, what is p squared minus 3 raised to, parenthesis raised to +2. And we have 1 divided by, p is 1. P is 1. So we have 1 squared minus 3 raised to +2, parenthesis raised to -2. Then we have 1 divided by -2 raised to 2. Then we have 1/4. Let's see, for the next, number 4, we have x minus 1 raised to -2 divided by x plus 1 raised to -2, where x is equal to 2. This is number 4. As you can see, we have 2 negatives, so the numerator will be x plus 1, parenthesis, raised to 2, divided by x minus 1, parenthesis, raised to 2. Yeah, if you don't understand what I'm doing now, either you will ask me in the comments or you will ask your teacher. Okay. Your teacher can explain what I'm doing now. And then we have 2 plus 1 parenthesis squared divided by 2 minus 1 parenthesis squared. Then we have 3 squared is 9. We have 1 squared is 1. So that is 9. Do we have number 5? Yes, we have number 5. We have y raised to 3 minus y 3. I should say, not 3. It's negative 3. Y raised to negative 3 and y raised to negative 2, where y is equal to 2. Now, we have 1 divided by y raised to positive 3 minus 1 divided by y raised to negative positive 2. And then y is equal to 2. Then we have y divided by 2 raised to 3 minus y divided 1 divided by 2 raised to 2. Then we have 1/8 minus 1/4. We have 1/8 minus 1/4. If we expand 4 with 2, then we have 1/8 minus 2/8. And we have negative 1/8. So I hope you understood something about this evaluation of algebraic expressions. It's the same as you did in your algebraic expressions, but now it involves rational expressions, negative exponents, zero exponents, and all the exponents that you have learned in your past studies. And then my next is rational algebraic expressions, but this time it is simplification of algebraic expressions. It is not your normal algebraic expressions. We talk about rational algebraic expressions. So see you around in my next video.